Well, dear students, let us come to the kinds of sentences now. As I discussed the different types of sentences, now we discuss kinds of sentences. Now, whenever we talk about your simple sentence, now this can be further subdivided into different categories, like your declarative. Now second one, interrogative. Number third, your imperative, and number four, your exclamative. Now these are the four categories of your simple sentence. Now previously I discussed simple, compound and complex. Now in simple sentence you can notice also these different categories like a declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamative. Now what is a declarative sentence? Now declarative sentence, it can be again of two types, your positive and negative. So declarative form, it can be of two types. One is your positive, second one your negative. It means declarative kind of sentence will simply make a statement. What kind of sentence are they actually? So declarative sentences are the kinds of sentences which only can make statement. For example, Ram is a good student. Ram is not a good student. Now you see the differences. It is simply making a statement whether your statement is in positive or in negative. Ram is a good student. Here the statement says that it is in positive. Ram is not a good student. It is in negative form. So declarative can be of two types. One can be affirmation, another one your negation. So one is positive, another one is negative. So first statement it is in positive, second one it is in negative. So such kind of sentences are known as your declarative. Is it clear? Declarative means simply you have to understand. It can be of two types. It can be either positive or negative. Clear? Now come to interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? Now it will simply ask a question. Interrogative sentences will ask you question. For example, if I cite you an example of interrogative, is he a doctor? Am I a dancer? Look at, interrogative sentences are the kinds of sentences which can simply ask you a question. For example, do I eat apples? Do we go to school? Does he kinds of sentences are interrogative sentences. They are in interrogative form because they are asking you a question. The first one is asking you a question. Remaining also are asking you a question. So interrogative means any kind of sentence which can ask you a question. Is it clear? Now come back to imperative sentence. I will show you what kind of meaning it can denote. Imperative sentences are the kinds of sentences which can denote different sorts of meaning. Now, these are the kinds of sentences which can be used to express command, order, request, advice, etc. Now these are the kinds of sentences which can denote expression like your command, request, order, advice, etc. Now this is a noun form advice, so whenever we make it as verb, it will be advised. Okay. Now I will be citing example of imperative sentences. For example, open the door. Now open the door, you see, read out the statement and you just try to understand whether it can express, order, request, command, surprise or any other form. Open the door. You are ordered to open the door. Now if the teacher shouts at you and asks you, go and open the door. So you are ordered. Now simply suppose if I just ask you, please pass the salt. Please pass the salt. Note the kind of sentence and you try to understand which kind of expression do you find. Please pass the salt. Now here I am requesting. Or if someone is requesting, someone might be requesting you, please pass the salt. Please word, it denotes your request. So this kind of sentence it is denoting request you. So basically imperative sentences are the kinds of sentences which can denote expression like your command, order, request, advice. It can be warning also or any other form also. Is it clear? It's not asking you any question. It's not simply making a statement, rather it is used to express command, order, request and advice and any other. Is it clear? Now come back to exclamatory sentence. What we can notice in this kind of sentence? Now in exclamatory sentences, basically, you need to understand the very punctuation mark. For example, if I just cite an example, what a lovely word. Or how beautiful the rain is. How beautiful the rain is. Look at these are note of exclamation. Here we will find in this kind of sentences. And basically at the end of exclamatory sentences, you need to put this kind of punctuation mark, note of exclamation. This is. Whereas in interrogative, question form to be given, in declarative simply full stop to be given, imperative again at the end of your sentence simply full stop to be given. But in exclamatory sentences, they will denote some surprise here. So what a beautiful word is, or what a lovely word is, how beautiful the rain is. Basically the verb form, it comes at the end of the sentence. Whereas in imperative sentence, your main verb, it comes at the starting. Like open the door, open one, shut the door, pass the salt. Look at the uses of your main verb which comes at the initial position. Whereas in exclamatory sentences, your verb form, it will switch over to the end of your sentence. So I hope that the simple sentence how is further subdivided into different categories and it is known as your kinds of sentences. I hope the kind of sentences, it is well understood by you. Hope you will be able to understand whenever the exercises will be given to you. Thank you very much.